In this legal vision, I would like to talk about Bihar election result and the subsequent government. The election was held after special intensive revision of the electoral roll. The opposition parties are focusing on the share and its effect on the wrong way, but it is not so. The result is effective. The Election Commission of India has done his well. Nowadays, recently for 3 days, we can see the movement of the people from the West Bengal to their one destination. They are moving from the families because they are from Bangladesh. They are Bangladeshi. But now in the intensive tribe by the Election Commission of India has given such a focus on the forged people that can be termed so. The people are migrating illegally and getting motivated by other illegal forces to migrate illegally and holding the legal documents from the view of the government and having also legal rights to enfranchise the voting, and all have been blocked by the special intensive revision of the electoral roll. This nation wants their one people, not other nation people. Other nation people can reside in other nation. They can go and vote, they can get vote and everything. When they come out and reside in other nation, they don't have any feeling of the nationalism. That is a problem in India. In other maximum nations also, the same thing happened. Now all the nations are turning towards the nationalism. We have to have nationalism. We have to protect our nation so that only we can lead our generation to have the best nationalism feeling, to protect our nation, to rule our nation. All we need is nationalism. It is born on the voting rights. But these peoples are cheating at the sounds of government also. For 3 days, subsequently, you can see any video clip, all news clip from the news channel, that the people are also vacating their family, everything. They are going to their one destination. They feel feared on the special intensive revision. That's why when the West Bengal Chief Minister unnecessarily plappering. So those plappering by the politicians have to be stopped. These peoples are living the forged votes. The same thing happened in Bihar. In Bihar, it is an unexpected, a massive winning. So existing people decides for their one party. They want to be ruled by their one party. That is the Southern nationalism feeling parties. That's why they have voted. They have come in margin the Southern numbers. Nearly 68% of the votings in Bihar election. Unprecedented. It happened in 1951. After that, nowadays only it has happened. So due to which the ruling party has retained the powers in large scale numbers. The opposition parties in India are not the Southern only doing good to the people in this sense. They are relying on the Southern appeasement. Appeasement never yields the result. Appeasement will yield negative result only, no positive result. That has happened in Bihar. But tomorrow, that is a November 20, the party, the existing and the South government dissolved, and the new government will be formed on November 10. The sheet sharing of everything is also within winning parties. That is not needed. The result is good. That has been provided by the Election Commission of India. The same thing should be done in all the states in India, but subsequently in the Lok Sabha election also. So they have infiltrated, completely infiltration has happened, and whereby a fresh list has been prepared. In the current, that is also special intensive revision vote form. You can find your old photos, new photo is needed. The photo that's also cheating also will not happen. The currently and the so-called opposition party leader in India is showing the also the forged vote and something more. Nothing yielded into the result. Because he is anti-national, that fellow. His feeling is anti-national and Indians. He is not born to the others also Indian. That's a problem. So we have to think. We Indians should protect it. The Election Commission of India has done it well. The result is on right track. The same thing should happen the coming SAR as also the release states. In the next year, 2026, many states are going to face the election. But all the also the election facing states, the opposition parties are at also nearly at also jittered. They have got jittered. They also really are not on terms with the Election Commission of India. They are always opposing it on unnecessary times. But I think it is also it will not yield any good result. Election Commission of India has given the Bihar the best result, the best emphasizing it is also really in the votes. And have the Election Commission of the South of India has shown the good path also for the future generation. The future generation of the South should learn the result from special intensive revision, whereby good result and good government can be given. Thank you.